So my New Year's resolution this year is not to let the old man in. So I saw this video where the guy said, don't let the old man in to your body. You know what I mean? You get stiff, old, exercise. But it goes beyond that for me. Don't let the old man in is that I found myself becoming increasingly intolerant and grumpy and conservative over time. Now, not all of that stuff is a wrong thing. It's natural, but not letting the old man in from now on out. Being more spontaneous with my wife, taking her on random dates, because that's what young men do, want to impress their wives. Saying yes to things that I would normally say no to. Not yelling so much for the small things at my kids. I shouldn't be yelling anyway, but you know, like sometimes you get annoyed. Hey, hoofspeel in die water. Man, just play in the water with him. Don't let the old man in. When someone cuts you off in traffic or is a bitchy muff, you know, old man fights. This is just my version of an old man, you know. Yours might be different. My dad was never an old man. He was actually really good at he's still very good at being a young man. Let's go to a dinner. Let's go play with the kids in the beach on the week. Let's just go. Let's do the things that young men do. Let's not let the old man in. That's what I don't want to do this year. So I'm going to be, you know, focusing on not letting the old man into my body and into my psychology. So yeah, that's me. What's your thing? Because I know everyone says, oh no, I don't have a resolution. Maar ek weet jy het een. And it can't be I want to lose weight every year. Ek is nou I want to lose weight. Because I promise you, that focus has not helped me. Because I have not lost weight. But this year, I want to actually work on my flexibility. I want to go to a yoga class. Try new things. Because I'm not letting the old man